Hello students, welcome to online audio video lessons, an initiative taken by Set Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE. Myself Mrudula Kadderu, computer teacher for standard 3rd. So children, today let us study about KTurtle commands. So the topics to be covered in this chapter are forward command, backward command, turn right command, turn left command, direction command, center command. Next one is setting canvas size and color, setting pen color and width, clear and reset command. So children, we will be covering all these topics in 2 sessions. So children, today let us start the first session with forward command. So you already studied about forward command little bit in the last chapter. So children, to use forward command we have to use certain steps, that is type forward or FW and then press space bar key and then type the number of steps we need to move the turtle forward. So if you press or if you type forward 60 or FW 60, then the turtle moves by 60 steps, that is in forward direction, and then draws a straight line. So children, you can see here forward 60. Next one is forward 100, that is the turtle is moving by 100 steps, forward by 100 steps, and then it draws a straight line. Similarly, here we have another example, that is forward 150. So the turtle moves 150 steps forward and then draws a straight line and then stops this. This is how we use forward command. Similarly, we have backward command. So this backward command is used to move backward steps. So for that, what we have to do? We have to type backward or BW and then give one space, that is press space bar key and then type the number of steps that the turtle should move backward. Suppose if you type backward 50 or BW 50, then the turtle will move backward by 50 steps. Example you can see here. Now in the earlier one you have seen that turtle was at the top and the line was at the bottom. Now turtle is moving backward direction, so turtle is at the bottom and line is above. Similarly, we have backward 100. Here the turtle is moving backward by 100 steps, and here children, here we have backward 150 where the turtle is moving backward by 150 steps. Next we have turn right command. So children, in this the turtle moves the head, that is the head of the turtle will be moving towards the right, hence the name is turn right command. While turning, what does this turtle do? It rotates from its head towards the right, but the position of the turtle remains the same. So children, to use this turn right command we have to first type turn right or TR and then press space bar and then we have to type how many steps the turtle has to turn. That is, if you make TR 45, that is the turtle remains in the same position but only the head of the turtle moves by 45 steps. Similarly, here we have TR 90, that is the turtle is moving its head by 90 degrees towards right, and next one is TR 135 and TR 180. So the term turning means it is moving the head in the circular path, where the complete circular path contains 360 degrees. Like in mathematics you draw the angles and all, which we will be studying further. So this is how we use turn right command. Next we have turn left command. Again the same procedure here. The turtle moves its head, instead of right it turns to left, but the turtle remains in the same position. So to make the turtle move left side, what we type? We type turn left or TL and then give space bar and then press how many number of degrees it has to turn. So children, again turning means moving its head in the circular path in the left direction, and the total circular path contains 360 degrees. Here we have TL30. Now see here, it is moving in anti-clockwise direction, that is TL30. It is moving its head by 30 degrees towards left. Next one is TL80, TL120 and TL180. So children, is it understood? Okay.